Hi there and welcome to a new video from Tech and Time Journeys. In today's video we will have an introduction on UX design and the history behind it. So let's talk a little bit about the history of UX design. The history of user experience design spans several decades, evolving alongside technology and human-computer interaction. Key milestones include 1940s to 1950s, early ergonomics and human factors research during World War II focused on optimizing human performance with machines. 1960s to 1970s, the development of human-computer interaction (HCI) with pioneers like Douglas Engelbart, who invented the mouse. 1980s, Donald Norman coined the term user experience while at Apple, emphasizing the importance of usability and user-centered design. 1990s to 2000s, the rise of the internet and mobile technology led to a greater focus on UX in digital products, with usability testing and user research becoming standard practices. 2010s, present UX design became a critical component in software development, emphasizing holistic user experiences across digital and physical products. Today, UX design is integral to creating effective, user-friendly products driven by continuous advancements in technology and design methodology. We live in a digital world. Technology surrounds us, influencing almost every aspect of our daily lives. From smartphones to smart homes, we interact with digital interfaces every day, often without even realizing it. These interactions can be exciting and enjoyable, making our lives easier and more connected. But they can also be frustrating and confusing, leading to moments of stress and inefficiency. This is where user experience, UX, design comes in. UX designers strive to bridge the gap between technology and user needs. UX design aims to make our digital interactions as smooth and enjoyable as possible, ensuring that users can navigate with ease. Think about a website you love to use. It's easy to navigate, intuitive and user-friendly. You can find what you need quickly without any hassle or confusion. The design is visually appealing and engaging, drawing you in and keeping your attention. That's good UX design at work, creating a seamless and enjoyable experience for the user. In today's digital age, good UX design is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for any business looking to succeed. Businesses that prioritize UX design create positive experiences for their users, leading to satisfaction and loyalty. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately business success, as happy users are more likely to return. Conversely, poor UX design can drive users away, causing frustration and dissatisfaction. They may seek out competitors who offer a better experience, leading to lost opportunities and revenue for the business. UX design is a human-centered approach to designing digital products and services. It focuses on the user's overall experience. It considers how easy and enjoyable the interaction is. UX design also considers how well the product or service meets the user's needs. Imagine you're using a mobile banking app. A well-designed app will allow you to easily check your balance, make a transfer with just a few taps, and find answers to your questions quickly. A poorly designed app, on the other hand, might have a confusing layout, hidden features, and a frustrating navigation system. The goal of UX design is to create products and services that are easy to use, enjoyable to interact with, and effective in helping users achieve their goals. UX designers are advocates for the user. They champion the user's needs and perspectives throughout the entire design process. They strive to understand how users interact with technology. UX designers use this understanding to create designs that are both user-friendly and effective. Their responsibilities include conducting user research to understand user needs and behaviors, creating user personas to represent different user groups, designing wireframes and prototypes to visualize and test design concepts, and conducting usability testing to gather feedback on designs. UX designers work closely with other professionals throughout the design process. This includes UI designers, developers, and product managers. Their collaborative efforts ensure that the final product meets both user needs and business goals. The UX design process is a structured approach to creating user-centered designs. It ensures that the end product is not only functional, but also provides a seamless and enjoyable experience for the user. It typically involves the following stages: define, research, analysis and planning, design, prototyping, testing, launch, and iteration. Each stage plays a crucial role in shaping the final outcome. While these stages are presented sequentially, the design process is often iterative. This iterative nature allows for continuous improvement and refinement. This means that designers may revisit earlier stages based on feedback and insights gained along the way. Feedback is essential, as it helps in identifying areas that need enhancement. The first stage, define, involves clearly understanding the problem or opportunity. This is where we set the direction for the entire project. What are we trying to solve for the user? Identifying the core problem is crucial. What are the goals of the product or service? Defining clear objectives helps in aligning the design process with the desired outcomes. This stage sets the foundation for the entire design process. A strong foundation ensures that the subsequent stages are built on solid ground. Following the defined stage is research. This stage is all about gathering valuable insights. This is where we gather information about our users and their needs. Understanding the user is at the heart of UX design. Who are our target users? Knowing the audience helps in creating relevant and effective designs. What are their pain points and frustrations? Addressing these pain points is key to creating a successful user experience. Once we have a solid understanding of our users, we can move on to the next stage, analysis and planning. This stage involves synthesizing the research findings and planning the design strategy. Section 5, Understanding Users, User Research. User research is the cornerstone of UX design. It involves gathering insights into user behaviors, needs, and motivations. This helps designers create designs that are truly user-centered. There are various methods of user research, each providing valuable insights. Usability testing is a method where users interact with a product or service. They perform tasks while observers gather feedback. This helps identify areas of confusion or frustration. A/B testing compares two versions of a design. The goal is to see which performs better with users. Heuristic evaluation is a method where experts evaluate a design against established usability principles. User interviews involve one-on-one conversations with users to gather in-depth feedback and insights. Section 6, Data-driven design, review and analysis. Once user research is complete, the next step is to review and analyze the data. This stage is crucial for identifying patterns, trends, and insights that will inform the design process. It's about transforming raw data into meaningful information. For example, if user interviews reveal that many users find the navigation menu confusing, this highlights an area for improvement. The design team can then explore alternative navigation structures. Data analysis ensures that design decisions are based on user insights, not assumptions. This data-driven approach leads to more effective and user-friendly designs. It helps create products and services that truly meet the needs of users. Section 7, Blueprints of Design Wireframes. Wireframes are like blueprints for a website or app. They are low-fidelity representations of a design that outline the structure and layout of content. Think of them as skeletons of the final product. Wireframes focus on functionality and content hierarchy rather than visual aesthetics. They use simple shapes, lines, and placeholders to represent different elements. This allows designers to experiment with different layouts and interactions without getting bogged down in visual details. Wireframes are an essential tool for communication and collaboration. They provide a common visual language for designers, developers, and stakeholders to discuss and refine design concepts. Section 8, Organizing Information Architecture. Information architecture, or IA, focuses on organizing and structuring content in a logical and user-friendly way. It is the backbone of any digital experience, ensuring that users can navigate through the content seamlessly. It ensures that users can easily find the information they need without unnecessary clicks or confusion. A well-defined IA is crucial for website and app usability, making the digital experience smooth and intuitive. Imagine a library with a chaotic organization system where books are scattered without any order, books are shelved randomly, making it nearly impossible to find what you're looking for, leading to frustration. This is similar to a website with poor IA, where users struggle to find the information they need. Users may struggle to locate the information they need, often feeling lost and overwhelmed. This leads to frustration and a negative user experience, which can drive users away. UX designers use techniques like card sorting and tree testing to create intuitive and user-centered IAs. These methods help in understanding user behavior and preferences. Card sorting involves asking users to organize topics into categories that make sense to them, providing insights into their thought processes. Tree testing evaluates the findability of information within a proposed IA, ensuring that users can navigate this structure effectively. Section 9. Bringing ideas to life prototypes. Prototypes are interactive representations of a design that simulate user experience. They allow designers to test and refine their designs before investing time and resources in development. Prototypes can range in fidelity from simple paper prototypes to interactive digital mock-ups. Paper prototypes are quick and inexpensive to create. They involve sketching out screens on paper and using simple materials to simulate interactions. Digital prototypes, on the other hand, offer a more realistic experience. They allow users to interact with the design using a computer or mobile device. Prototyping is an iterative process. Designers create a prototype, test it with users, gather feedback, and then refine the design based on the feedback received. This iterative approach helps identify and address usability issues early in the design process. Section 10. Ensuring user-friendliness usability testing. Usability testing is a critical stage in the UX design process. It involves observing users as they interact with the design to identify any usability problems. This helps ensure that the final product is user-friendly and meets the needs of its users. During a usability test, users are asked to perform specific tasks. They may be asked to navigate to a particular page, fill out a form, or complete a purchase. Observers watch how users interact with the design, taking note of any areas where they encounter difficulties. The insights gained from usability testing are invaluable for improving the design. Designers can use this feedback to make changes that enhance usability, such as clarifying navigation, simplifying forms, or improving the overall user flow. In conclusion, our introduction to UX design video has covered the essential elements and historical evolution of the field. We've explored how UX design focuses on creating user-friendly, efficient, and enjoyable interactions with digital products. Understanding the principles of user-centered design, usability testing, and iterative development is crucial for anyone looking to excel in this field. Remember, the ultimate goal of UX design is to enhance user satisfaction by improving the overall interaction between users and products. Stay curious and keep learning to create outstanding user experiences. Thank you for watching. Remember, this video is just an extended introduction to UX design. It's not meant to be a substitute for academic learning, but rather to help you understand the general aspects of user experience design. To gain a deeper and more comprehensive understanding, we encourage you to pursue formal education and further resources in this field. Happy designing! Stay tuned for more videos from Tech and Time Journeys. See you.